Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Britney Louise. If you are new here, how you doing? Hey, hello. If you guys are wondering how I came up with this look, y'all, I have to show y'all all these products, honey, that I had just laying around here and I have not even used. Some stuff is brand spanking new, ain't used, ain't never opened. Today we opening, we smacking it on this face today, okay? I have to show y'all how I came up with this bomb look. So if you are new here, first of all, smack that subscribe button because you're going to enjoy videos from me and possibly the family because they can't stop being quiet in the background. Hush your mouth, husband and daughter. Thank you. Love you. All right, guys. I'm not going to hold you guys. Let's get into this look right now. The first product that I'm going to use is Huda Beauty, and this is the Water Jelly Hydrating Primer. I am excited to try this. I know it's basic packaging, but for some reason this packaging is still like super cute to me. Oh, look at that. It just slides right down my hand. It literally went from like a jelly to a water. Yeah, it really doesn't have a scent. It feels like it's doing a little something to me. A little tingle. Little tingle somewhere in the skin. Okay, so since obviously I use the Huda Beauty Water Jelly Primer, obviously, can you guess what the foundation is gonna be? Yeah. If you can't, I'm holding it right here in my hand. Huda Beauty Faux Filter Skin Finish Foundation Stick. I ended up grabbing the shade Chocolate Mousse 450G. I tried it on in the store when I picked it up, and it looks pretty in store, so hopefully a full face of it still is gorgeous on me. If not, doesn't matter because I'm gorgeous anyway, and I'll just have to fix her up, you know what I'm saying? I like that. Like, I like the way it blends in the center and just the way it comes down. So we're going to see. We're just going to put a couple of stripes here. It's going to be my favorite brush today. And I'm just going to blend this in. Girl. Hey, let me hurry up and live my best life. This looks like this gonna be something that I'm in love with. Come back from the light so you can see how it looks more naturally versus all up in my blinding lights. I really like how this foundation looks. So I am going to conceal underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna start off with my L'Oreal concealer in the shade 415. So I'm going to correct underneath my eyes first. Then I'm going to go in with my Giorgio Armani in the shade 7.5 and just brighten underneath. And this specifically is the Luminous Silk Concealer. And I am just going in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey. I don't know, it's just something about this setting powder that when I say there is barely any movement from my glasses, it really is like barely any movement from my glasses. So, you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 498 to blend in the product. So next, I am going to do my eyebrows, and I'm actually gonna use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and then this is in the shade Ash Brown. I haven't used this. I like this color. It's not too dark and it's not too light. Okay, brow, you cute. So one thing I am noticing as I go on with my face is that this Huda Beauty foundation is starting to kind of move around a little bit. So I'm just going to, instead of finishing out my face last, I'm going to go ahead and use my Sephora micro powder and just set my foundation. Skin, honey, skin, okay? Moving right along to my eyes, I have two palettes that I have purchased and I have not used myself, and that is the Celestial palette by Pat McGrath and then the Makeup by Mario mattes. So I'm going to play with these two. I'm going to start off by building up my crease. Tap into this shade here and just start building up my crease by placing and pressing and then blending. Okay, pigment. I definitely feel like both these palettes need their own separate videos. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this deep brown here and I'm going to build up the outer V like so. And I'm gonna bring it down on my lower lash line a little bit. Take a clean crease brush and just blend both shades like so. Ooh, this would make a really pretty brown smoky eye. Oh, but I already said I was gonna use both palettes, so I'm gonna leave it alone. We're gonna have to put a pin in that, okay? We're gonna have to put a pin in it. I'm gonna leave that palette alone and I'm gonna go into the Pat McGrath Celestial palette. The shades that I really want to play with is this. I believe it's, what is that, Megabyte or Fuchsia Shock? I think it's Fuchsia Shock. Odyssey. You know what? I'm just gonna point to the colors because I don't have time to try to figure all that out the way this is set up. So the first color I'm gonna dabble in is going to be this deep purple right here. I'm just gonna, and it's, most of these are all like shimmer base, but look at that. Look at that color payoff. I am barely tapping this. I think I'm gonna play into some halo life. I think I'm gonna do a little cute halo finish here. And I'm going to tap into this shade here and continue to build my halo. I haven't played with color in so long like this. So yeah, we're gonna make this real easy. I'm gonna take this shade down here in the corner and I am going to place it right in the center. Pressing that right, like so. With the fluffy side of this brush, tap into this matte kind of aubergine shade. And I'm just gonna blend up into my crease more. I'll go back into that deep purple and go underneath my eyes. I'm gonna add a little bit shimmer in the inner corner of my eye. And that will be just, that's just gonna be a little light dusting of this shade here. Wait, oh no, yeah, that shade there. I like it a lot. Very cute. I'm gonna try this NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eyeliner. This is in the shade Black. Y'all, I have not done a slick cat eye in a long time, and I'm not sure if I want to do it today on this eye look either. Oh no, I kind of like the line being extended. Let's see if I still got it. Oh, okay, girl, you are cute. And I'm just gonna finish out by adding some lashes. And these lashes were actually a gift. They're by Vivid Dreams Beauty. I will leave all the information down below, but these lashes are called Top Notch. And as you can see, these bad boys are no joke. I feel like this look I got going on is no joke, so I feel like they're going to be perfect. And they are really cute. You know what? I sure ain't never used this. Look at this. I don't even remember when I bought this. The Kaja Beachy stamp. It's a bronzer. It's a stamp. It's got a star on it. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but we get ready to play with this. This is why I need to do shop my stash more videos, because ain't no telling what I have in here. A little stamper here. I don't even know if this is gonna be my shade, honey. Stamp. So we're gonna start off light I just... Girl. Oh, no. Oh, no. This is not a bronzer. It's a blender. Blends right in. We just gonna act like this never, ever happened. I'll move along. We will go into my Revolution Glow Matte Bronzer in dark. We'll just do, oh, now look at that. Now you can see that. My face just got 10 times sexier, and I didn't even know if that was possible, guys. I really didn't know. Let me blend this in properly while I'm over here talking this stuff. Girl. Okay. Okay. Okay, cause you know, okay. I got this Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is Wet n Wild's Mega Glow highlighting powder. Awesome Blossom. Kind of worried about that. It's really cute. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. It gives a really nice subtle glow. And last but not least, a blush. Ambering Rose by MAC Cosmetics. I ain't used Amber and Rose by MAC Cosmetics since the 70s. Okay, Amber and Rose. I might need to get another one because God knows how old this is. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I forgot about this. It's got like the perfect like sheen to it with this blush, but it also has like the perfect like brown girl just blush tint. Not too much because my eyes are like va-va-voom, but just enough. It's really pretty, and it's gonna go with really well with my lip. Speaking of lip, let's go. Sorry, I thought I was recording. So my lip liner I'm going to use is Suburbia. I definitely thought I was recording, y'all. Good thing I caught it before I really got into lining my lips. And the lip that I picked up is Soft Core. It is really soft. Soft Core is a little bit much for a name, isn't it? Makes me think of them old Skinamax smoothies that you shouldn't have been watching when you was a kid. Did this come out like back in like June last year? The Divine Rose 2 line. Oh, the lip gloss smells so good. I'm just gonna focus it right in the center of my lips. And this is Lust Gloss in Divine Rose. So this is the finished look. This almost should have been a Valentine's shop my stash look, okay? Because it kind of reminds me of like a real cute sweetheart look. Like I said, shop my stash videos pretty much. It really just reminds me about how much money that I have spent on makeup and have not even used, because the majority of these products I have not used. I really liked all of them for the most part, except for like, girl, we could just throw that in the trash. Okay, guys. I loved this look. I love the way it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I am putting together my video content board. And if you have any ideas that you would like to see me do, put them down below, baby, because this is our channel. Remember that. It's not just mine. It is ours. So there you go. All right, guys. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.